Can't see the ground.
You have selected Green Team, less intense training. However, if you are made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces or simulators, you may exit the flight training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions.
Congratulations, team. You have been selected to train for a spectacular mission around the Earth. Your flight path will take you west across North America, Asia, Europe, and back home to Florida. You're gonna love it.
T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
Okay, listen up. Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll be adjusting the pitch of the X2 if necessary, and firing thrusters for your descent. Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger first stage separation. You'll also be triggering the landing sequence. Commander, you will be responsible for activating the flight sequence and for activating manual control if needed. Engineer, you will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude. You will also extend the wings for landing. Don't worry, when it's time to push the buttons, they will light up. Then I'll give you the go. One last thing. In the event of an emergency landing, there are control sticks at every crew position. Well, I guess that's everything. Good luck, Earth team. You are on the clock.
Attention, trainees. Follow the markings on the floor to your X2 training and begin boarding now.
Which one? Okay. Para. Vos.
Store personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down on the restraints.
Se me acuerda porque estoy re olvidadizo.
Capcom to X2. Welcome aboard, team. After you get settled, check out your buttons. Navigator, welcome aboard. During the mission, you will be adjusting the pitch of the X2 if necessary, and firing thrusters for your descent.
Thank you. Good to go. Awesome. Have fun.
Pilot, the X2 is an excellent ship.
¿Qué?
Your job will be to trigger first stage separation and trigger the landing sequence.
Estamos cerca.
Surgeon, how are we doing? All good for launch.
No, creo que
A reminder,
está
Commander,
No,
your
no.
assignments are to activate flight
muy-
sequence,
está
and for
muy
landing,
cerca.
activate
Sí,
manual
está
control.
picante.
Loading flight plan.
Engineer, just a reminder, you will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude. You will also extend the wings for landing. Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control wish you a safe journey around the planet.
Mission Control, this is the fire team. Give us the go and go for launch. Eagle. Surgeon. Network. You are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission Control to X2. You are go at throttle up. Pilot, initiate first stage separation. Now. Commander, initiate flight sequence. Now. Computer override initiated. Navigator, initiate thrusters to adjust pitch. Now. Computer override initiated. Engineer, activate flight cameras. Now. Computer override initiated. Your flight path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, the Hawaiian Islands. In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X2, just launched from the Pacific. Up ahead, you should see Japan, the land of the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert. Passing over the Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India. By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean. You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light. Tonight, there's a spectacular northern light show on your horizon.
We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly in the landing pad.
Okay, listen up, team. Change of plans. It's going to be a challenging approach, and we'll need all of you working together. Pilot, initiate landing sequence. Now. Computer override. Initiated. Navigator, initiate descent. Now. Computer override. Rockets fired. Clear. Extend wings for gliding. Now. Computer override. Wings extended.
Autopilot.
Commander, activate manual control. Now. Activated. All hands on the control sticks. All right. Now left. Right. Left. Back to center. Hold it steady.
They're coming in too high.
Pull back. Down and clear. Mission accomplished. Good work, team. Welcome back to Earth. And welcome to the Astronaut Corps.
Okay, heads back, releasing restraints. Now push the restraints up. Be sure to gather all your belongings and follow the arrows out.
Alright. Thank you. Exit.